He aha te mea nui o te ao is a question my ancestors would use to teach their children a vital principle. And it would be taught in places like this. Motato Maunga, that's a mountain which my family is connected to. Translated, that question is, what is the most important thing in this world? To which the reply is, he tangata, he tangata, he tangata. It is people, it is people, it is people. 10 million people on the earth suffer from the loss of a limb. 3 million of them are upper extremity amputees. That type of amputation is particularly limiting because our world is engineered for our hands. The reality is that once it's gone for good. And it must be understood that it's not just the physical injury. It's social, it's mental, it's spiritual. My research attempts to restore some of that hand function by making brain-controlled prosthetics. I can see you starting to listen now. Yes, it's like Terminator, Star Wars type stuff, okay? And I feel very lucky to be a part of it. But there were two things I found almost instantly that keep it to the movies and not in the real world. The first is accuracy, and the second is response. Accuracy is how precisely we can determine what you are thinking, and response is how quickly we can determine that. Now, those compete, so you're not going to have one without the other. And that limits it, so we can't get it into the market. My research looks at adding autonomous machine vision to it. That looks like this: a hand, a prosthetic hand, that is able to sense the environment, and as it approaches objects, adapts to that object. It starts changing. And then the responsibility is given to the amputee whether to close or open on that object. Now that's going to help us push the technology into the market. Okay? That is a wonderful thing. But the impact is directly to people. We can restore independence, we can restore quality of life, and we can restore their mauri, or their spirit, which is a beautiful thing. He aha te mea nui o te ao. He tangata, he tangata, he tangata.